What was this?
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Harnett County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located
This is cool.
2 miles northwest of
Wait, let me see.
or 12 miles northwest of Fort Bragg, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
It's Johnson.
Tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris
Hold on, let me
dangerous to those
refresh.
caught without shelter. Mobile homes
Let me
will be
refresh.
damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree
Oh,
damage is
yeah.
likely. Locations impacted include Lillington, Dunn, Angier, Irwin,
Fayetteville.
Pineview, Anderson Creek, Timberlake, Raven Rock State Park, and Louise Creek. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the coast. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Durham, Franklin, Granville, Harnett, Johnson, Lee, Moore, Orange, Person, Randolph, Vance, Wake, and Warren. Freeze warning remains in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Saturday. Locations: all of central North Carolina. Hazards: freezing temperatures. Temperatures will fall into the mid-20s to lower 30s tonight and early Saturday. Impacts: unharvested crops and any sensitive vegetation left outdoors will be severely damaged or killed. A freeze warning means freezing temperatures are imminent or highly likely. These conditions will kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. The air quality... The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Lee County, West Central Wake County, Eastern Chatham County, Southwestern Durham County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pittsboro, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60
Holy
miles per
crap,
hour
it's
wind gusts. Source: radar indicated.
I thought it would come
Impact:
back.
expect damage to
Come
roofs,
before that.
siding, and trees. Locations impacted
Not sure
include
enough.
Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Pittsboro, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Crosswinds
Very
Boating
horrible
Center,
outside, yeah.
Crosswinds Campground, and New Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Durham, Lee, and Wake.
Glad I didn't miss that. Oh, another one. Here I go again. That's a flash flood. Oh, what
National
happened?
Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for
What happened?
southeastern
Oh.
Orange County,
Jeez.
northern Lee County, western Wake County, Chatham County, Durham County until 6:30 p.m.
Double
At
header.
3:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated
First
a
double
cluster
header,
of slow-moving
people.
thunderstorms producing flooding across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has already fallen. Additional 1 to 2 inches of rain is probable through 5 p.m., especially over western Wake
I
and
just
southern
got on my
Durham.
phone.
Some locations that will experience
Stop my
flooding
recording.
include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Pittsboro, Carrboro, Fuquay-Varina, Goldston, RDU International, and Apex. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Please report flooding to your
got a
local law
flash flood
enforcement
warning in
agency when
effect.
you can do so safely. Repeating,
I
a
was on my
flash
phone
flood
too.
warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the
I was
following
just-
counties
I was just
in North
thinking
Carolina:
about that.
Chatham, Durham, Lee, Orange, and Wake.
Should be it.
The National Weather Service in
see.
Raleigh has issued a flood advisory for Moore
keep
County,
this on.
southeastern Montgomery County, Richmond County, western Lee County, central Chatham County until 5 p.m. At 3, the severe thunderstorm warning for northwest.
Another one.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Creed Moor, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Oxford, Creed Moor, Franklinton, Kitchell, Stem, Dabney, Ingleside, Gilbert, and South Henderson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Granville, and Vance. Here is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the listening area. A strong thunderstorm will affect northeastern Nash, southeastern Warren, and west central Halifax counties until 4:45 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong severe thunderstorm warning for southern Durham County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the Warren area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. for southern Granville, north central Wake, and west central Franklin counties. At 4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Creed Moor, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Creed Moor, Butner, Stem, Falls Lake State. For your protection, move to an interior room on the
Severe thunderstorm warning, flash flood.
repeating, a severe thunderstorm
Flash flood
warning
watch.
in effect until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Granville, and Wake. Here is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the listening area. A strong thunderstorm will affect northeastern Nash, southeastern Warren, and west central Halifax counties until 4:45 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Dorches, or 7 miles northeast of Nashville, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Nashville, Dorches, Red Oak, Glenview, Arcola, Bibleboro, Maddox Mountain State Park, Avonton, and Early. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. At 3:51 p.m., rain, a thunderstorm, and fog were reported at the Raleigh-Durham Airport. The temperature was 73 degrees and skies were cloudy. The forecast for tonight: showers and thunderstorms this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall this evening. Lows around 70. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, station WXL58, operating on frequency 162.55 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located on the UNCTV tower near Chapel Hill. The station serves the northeast Piedmont of North Carolina. The current time is 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Vance County, southern Granville County, northwestern Franklin County until 5 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Creed Moor, moving northeast at 30. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vance County, Granville County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Oxford, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Oxford, Creed Moor, Butner, Kitchell, Stem, Middleburg, Gilbert, Steel Creek Marina, and Campground and Car Lake. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Grand Hill and Vance. Here is the latest issued at 4:31 p.m. At 5 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time, the center of subtropical storm Debbie was located near latitude 39.7 north, longitude 49.2 west. The storm is moving toward the north near 15 miles per hour, but some decrease in forward speed is anticipated. Maximum sustained winds remain near 40 miles per hour with higher gusts. Debbie is forecast to dissipate in a couple of days or earlier. Winds of 40 miles per hour extend outward up to 140 miles to the east of the center. The estimated minimum central pressure is 1,008 millibars. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards station WXL58, operating on frequency 162.55 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located on the UNCTV tower near Chapel Hill. The station serves the northeast Piedmont of North Carolina.
Here we go. It's a required weekly test.
Radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Polk, Iredell, Johnston, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pennsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public alarm tone in a test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system.
The current time is 11:31 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.